tell me what you're doing? Anything? We had somebody calling about you being out here. Nothing? Can you tell me your name? Do you work for the military? Do you work in the military? Can you tell me anything? Nothing? Aren't you hot? Nothing?
I don't even think you can. You're allowed
I
to
don't
film
think
in these
you're not.
facilities.
No, I don't think you are either.
Hi, bud.
Frank, you went to bed. All you gotta do
Please
is
don't
let us.
pull your hands anywhere, man. Can
Can
you
you
put
do
your hands
it?
up for
Look.
me? Please.
Can you do us a favor? I know, I mean, you're well within your right to stand out here and videotape, okay? Go ahead, go ahead. Look,
Doing it stupid, please.
you're making us nervous. We don't want to do anything to harm you. Look,
Doing it stupid.
you're making us nervous. We don't want to do anything to harm you. All you need to let us know is what's going on and that you're okay, and we'll leave you be.
Can you keep your hands where we can see them? I mean, don't make a big deal about this.
Do you have any weapons on you, sir?
It's got bulges everywhere, though. That's the problem.
We're not gonna, listen, we don't want to do anything to cause you any type of upset or anything like that. We just need to ask you basic questions. Okay? Look, yeah, we're just gonna
We're gonna do that for now. Stop, man, please. Please don't.
Oh, they're grabbing me. They're grabbing me. Am I being detained or
I'll hold
what?
this for you,
Okay, I'm being
Look.
detained.
Stop,
Hey,
man.
look.
I'm illegally being
I'm
detained.
gonna hold this for you. We're gonna set it right here on the ground,
What are
okay?
you doing, man? What do you got in your pockets? You got anything in your pockets?
We're gonna set that down on the ground for you.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures of my property.
Do you have any weapons?
I do
or
not
anything
consent
like that,
for
sir?
you to undress me, sir.
Okay, well your face is covered up here right now, okay?
Is that against the law,
It's
sir?
70 degrees, you're covering your face.
Is that against the law?
What's going on,
Well, it's
man?
a business when you're standing outside of a
I'm done answering
secure
questions.
zone. You're standing outside of a secure zone facility, a military facility. You got your face covered up. You're videotaping the facility.
What are you trying to prove out here, man?
I'm a citizen journalist. I'm
Okay.
gathering content for a story, and I was attacked by 3 cops
You were attacked.
from the Warren Police Department.
Oh.
We got,
Kanaya 133.
You were attacked.
who do we got here? Reed.
Officer Reed 140.
Who's this holding my left arm, bending my wrist?
Rose.
Officer Rose,
Yeah.
025. Is that correct?
Okay,
Thank you,
no
Officer
weapons or
Rose.
anything like that?
That's
Where do you live
all I
at?
wanted to do. It's popping out right here.
We
and
just
it's
want
popping
to
out
make
on the
sure you
side.
don't have
You're
any
making
weapons.
motions.
And
You can
Okay,
understand
guys.
you know
Look
you
at my
were-
arms here. These guys, these
Listen.
cops,
Oh, don't even
these
start with
cops
that.
assaulted me. This is
very
an
well.
assault.
It's
This was an
actually not.
attack.
Okay.
It's not. Would you like medical assistance, sir? Would you like medical assistance? I can call the fire department for you if you'd like. Do you want medical assistance?
You guys are dismissed. You may leave now.
No, we're not.
No. We got called out here for.
Do you have a license to be out here right now
521 dispatch.
doing this journalism? Do you have a license to be out here right now? No, you don't, do you?
I'm all set. Did you get a hold of anyone?
We ID you.
Okay, so you
Listen.
see none of these cops have body cameras on, so they attacked me. I have it all recorded.
So do we
They
have-
did not
We have
record it.
microphones.
You have your ID and we'll be out of here.
In the city of Warren, there's an ordinance that if someone calls out here to investigate a crime, you must identify yourself. Just want you to know that, okay?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
We got called out here.
Do you suspect me of committing
matter.
a
It doesn't.
crime? Yes or
Yes,
no?
Hold on.
Yes, I do.
Listen.
Yes, we do.
Listen.
What crime is that, sir?
I'm not sure. But it's awfully
Somebody
suspicious to
called
me.
you. Somebody called us, okay? You made somebody nervous enough to call. You can get your head. Go ahead. Listen, you made somebody nervous enough to call us, correct? Okay? That arm right there is technically, you can grab that arm, okay? You can't hurt me with a camera. I'm just saying. They called us out here, okay? We're investigating a crime. If a crime had been committed, you'd be in handcuffs, you'd be in the backseat of a car. However, you're making gestures towards your hip.
What
and
crime do you
area.
suspect me of committing, Officer Kanaya?
I don't suspect you of committing anything right now. However, you are detained right now because we were investigating a crime, because somebody called us out here. And due to that fact, okay, I'm going to speak with these gentlemen right here, okay? Due to that fact, you have to identify yourself.
Hey guys, you see what kind of
Stay there.
company we get from
Stay
photography?
here.
I am detained.
Yes, you are. Reasonable suspicion that a crime is afoot right now.
Okay.
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
This is necessary, honestly, though. This is speaking man to man right now, not Officer Joe, whatever your name is. Is it necessary to do all this? I'm just asking you. You can leave it on, you can turn it off and talk to me, I don't care. We weren't trying to make a big deal, we're just seeing what's going on. You're more than well within your right to stand out here and videotape whatever you want. However, I'm not sure about the rules on videotaping federal facilities, but I know at some facilities you cannot take pictures or videotape their facilities from anywhere. I know that is a crime. Do I
Okay,
know
so
that?
you see this cop doesn't know what he's talking about.
Well, when it comes to federal laws, are you guys okay with this guy standing out here?
They said they've had them all out here before.
Are you guys okay with him standing out here? Because if he's okay, I'm getting out of here. He's being a major asshole, that's his right. That's fine. I don't care. He's okay to be here? All right. You have a nice day, sir. fucking douchebag.
Look at this cop, he's cussing at me. I wanna charge this cop with disorderly conduct for cussing in public.
Move on.
Sir, you can't stand on the sidewalk loitering. If you're gonna walk around, it's fine.
Okay, so this cop, I wanna charge this cop with disorderly conduct for cussing.
It's not against the law of freedom of speech. It's your constitutional right.
Okay, so
It's like yours.
this cop, these cops are protecting their own, man. Look at this, guys. Look at all the attention photography gets, guys.
Watch behind you.
Look at this.
Right, he's up there. Right. That might have been even passing by. Yeah. Well, you said you were doing a documentary or something like that, so why don't you get back to that? We'll be all set. Well, this is
Okay, we got more coming in, code 4 for a photographer. I want a someone's card. Can you give me your card, sir?
We're not issued cards.
Can I get a department card?
We don't issue cards.
You don't issue cards?
I gave you my name. You have it on video. Everybody gave you.
So I can file a complaint. Who's your chief?
Our chief, we have Commissioner Green. We have 2 sergeants over there. If you wish to speak with the supervisor.
I do.
Okay. Hey, you know our names. What's your name, sir? Mr. Tough Guy.
I want this cop charged with swearing, disorderly conduct.
I'm not talking to you.
I hear it. It's disorderly conduct.
What law is this?
Disorderly conduct law.
Time for you to move on.
Disturbing the peace.
Get back to what you were doing.
He's disturbing my peace with his swearing. Officer Lamond 193.
Tough guy.
Look at this tyrant. Look at this guy. He's a tough guy now. Look at that walk of shame. The walk of shame, guys.
Sir, can you hold on for a second?
Sir. Hold on a second. Whoa.
I can't.
Where are you going?
I'm walking on the sidewalk.
Walk up on us.
I want to go down. I'm going that way.
Hold on a second.
Well, get off the sidewalk so I can move. You're obstructing my right to move
on a
freely. Okay, so now I am being detained. You're detaining me.
I'm preventing you from walking.
You tell
up
me I'm
on
detained. I can't move. I want to walk down that way.
From walking up behind my other officers. who are
Okay,
over
then I'll
here.
walk around them. These guys, man. How many guys does it take? These guys.
Enjoy the day.
Don't attack any more photographers today. There goes the walk of shame, guys.